But I did have one occasion with a yacht called Rampart that was in the top 3 heaviest weather I've ever been in. When we got back on the breakwater, I stood on the breakwater, and the boats on the sea, on the inside, were moving in backwards and forwards, and I think my balance had been, I was okay at sea, but when I got on land, it affected my balance considerably. So that's the only time, and I've got a photograph, or 3 photographs, of that service taken by the son of our medic when we were going through the Sound, and 2 photographs off the back of the breakwater by 2 local residents. So it does show it's quite an impressive day.